Oke, baik. Sudah masak. Already. Oh, already cook. What is this, Father? Daging. Wih, ayam. Very nice. Daging domba. Kambing. Kita diundang sama. Di sini kalau kita masak di sini bingung, ya. Kalau masak bingung, banyak sekali bumbu-bumbu. Ini lebih 12 bumbu.
Banyak sekali bumbu.
Bumbu. Too many flavors here. Banyak sekali. So how to choose if you cook?
Not too many. Depending on the day. Depending when.
Ada merica, ada cengkeh, ada apa ini, kayu manis kah, kayu apa kayak ini. Lengkap sekali. Ini bapak tinggal sendiri tapi bumbunya mungkin ada 30-40 macam. Semua ini bumbu, ada picin. Sampai di sana bumbu semua. Pusing kalau kita masak. This is the black rice.
Black rice.
Black rice. Bawa loto.
Black rice.
Black rice. We eat black rice.
And you have white rice too.
Yeah, white rice, black rice, very good. Mantap. Oke, baik. Daddy is 80 years old. Yeah.
I am 80 years old. Yes.
Ya, 80 tahun. Masih kuat, still strong.
Yes. Okay. Just okay.
Okay, yeah, strong. Can go to the highland, yeah? What that? To the
mountains.
Mountains, yeah.
The mountains in Japan.
Yeah, mountains.
We're going. Mountains in Spain.
Mountain in Spain.
800 kilometers.
800 kilometers.
800 kilometers. Good.
Very good. I love go there, but I can go to my home. Masak.
Okay, we will do. Yada. That's cooked. That's cooked. It doesn't have to be warmed up. Did you cook it a long time ago?
Yeah.
A long time ago.
Yeah. And it's cooked already. No, it's
Who
like
told you to do that?
Iya, nasi hitam ini, potongnya. Nasi hitam.
so I
Tapi
smashed
besar-besar dia
the
bijinya.
You smashed the garlic,
Yeah.
not just smashed.
Yeah.
You
The fry.
smashed it.
Nah, ini
Okay, that's done.
Vietnamese, Vietnam, Thailand, Vietnam.
This is Vietnamese, yeah, but
Vietnamese.
Salad.
well, you don't like it.
Yeah, I like it.
You like it?
I've been last night.
Vietnamese. Oh, you shut up.
Yeah.
I mean, it's very. I like the fact
Victor, you're sitting there.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Vietnamese salad. Yeah.
Vietnamese salad.
What?
Daging domba.
Okay.
Domba.
Domba.
Bukan
kambing.
kambing
Oh.
dimasak.
Tapi ini domba bukan kambing.
Oh, domba.
Domba.
Ini makanannya orang sini.
Ini tidak dimasak, diiris-iris saja baru dimakan.
Nah, ini Om Victor ya.
Kalau ini live stream.
Kalau Om Victor live streaming.
Nonton di SangallaTv. Oke, baik. Oke, pengadilan Indonesia di mana ini? Kita di Melbourne.
Are you laughing at me?
No.
Kestel Cup. Iya.
Both of them, they're like
Papanya Kris ini ya, papanya Kris.
Sini.
Ya.
Mereka mengerti itu karena
Ini paha ayam. Oh, pahanya semua.
itu budayanya orang Muslim.
Kalau ayam di sini beda-beda dia harganya. Kalau di supermarket ada pahanya semua, ada dagingnya semua, ada dagingnya juga macam-macam. Ada di bagian punggung. Nah, beda-beda semua harganya.
Victor.
Dia siapa udah apa di jalan?
Oh, ini fotonya mungkin ini di pedalaman ini.
Kami boleh di sini. Oh, dari Korea ada, dari Cina ada.
Ini sayangnya Om Pit akan cepat pulang. Seandainya masih tinggal di sini, kita akan ke sini, ke pergunungan, ke kampung.
Nah, di sini malam
Mereka mau tinggal 1 minggu di sana.
No, I just put, I put that, or I don't put that.
Okay.
I put oil and vinegar.
Oh, okay. Om,
Ya.
katanya mau pakai cuka sama minyak di sini atau saus
Sesame.
sesame. Apa bahasa Indonesianya?
You can taste
Apa
it.
itu? Sesame.
Iya, apa ya?
Ya.
You put finger.
Jadi
Ya,
pilihannya
ya.
This one good?
Ya, this one.
this one.
Good.
He wants
This one good one?
Yeah.
Ya, jadi ini tidak dimasak, ini diiris-iris sayurnya.
Dominus vobiscum et cum spiritu tuo sancti, amen. In nomine Patri et Filii et Spiritus Sancti, amen.
Maming. Ini tidak dimasak ini.
Indonesianya sesame.
Sesame itu merek kali ya.
Sesame seed.
Sesame itu minyak-minyakan.
Where is Huti?
Biji yang kecil-kecil.
Come on, Huti. 'Cause everybody's getting hungry.
Halo, mana Kris? Where is Yudi? Come here.
Wijen.
Udah. Woi, nasi hitam sudah datang. The black rice.
Songkolo.
Bobok lotong.
What's I hope you're laughing with me, not at me.
Because like we speak in 3 different language. Well, like I don't know how Torajan or Makassar say black rice. So Victor said the Torajan language
Yes.
of black rice is
Bobo
bobo
lotong.
lotong.
What is it?
Bobo lotong.
Bobo Wotong.
Bobo
Yeah.
is a rice, lotong is a black.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there is everything. Okay. So, they can do whatever. Baba, have you got a little bit of rice here to put next to the white rice?
Yeah. Do you want to put it?
Nah.
Iya,
Nasi
sayang.
putih dari rumahnya Kris,
There.
nasi
Oh,
putih,
you're gonna do it
nasi
like
hitam. Jadi kita akan mix black
I think-
and white.
Do you want to
rice.
mix, or should we just let everyone do their own thing?
It's up to you. It's up to everyone.
Let everyone live their own destiny.
Very good sauce.
This thing makes the best rice, but it takes a while. Alrighty, let us go. Look at this lamb. That's my favorite.
Minum
Minum
air.
air aja.
Mana gelas? Sini gelas. Oh. Okay.
Does anyone else want water?
Apa ini? Wait. What's this?
Ratatouille.
Very nice.
Tomat, capsicum.
Oh, tomat. Okay, Stanley Chebet watching from Kenya. Great. That family. Okay, thank you from Kenya. How are you in Kenya?
What's he doing in Kenya?
Kenya, my friend from Kenya still always watch us in
What's wrong?
live stream.
Something wrong?
No.
Yes.
All good.
No. So I'm sure something wrong. I'm sure something wrong.
Nothing is wrong.
No. Okay. Victor is having Vietnamese salad.
Vietnamese salad, yeah.
This is for a little bit of sauce on the black rice.
The black rice.
Oh
You
my
cut
God.
a little piece.
I want to try
Let's
the
go.
black rice in.
Half with the white rice and half with the black rice.
Oh, you can do
Australia.
whatever you want.
You do
This
whatever
spoon,
you want.
use both. Yeah. In fact, what should happen is that what? You put the white rice there so
Vietnamese
there's
salad.
more room.
Jadi tidak dimasak,
Siapa?
dicampur-campur saja dengan minyak atau apa saja,
Why?
langsung dimakan.
Up to you.
Ya.
Yeah.
Oh.
Put the white rice in the.
We've done it.
Yeah. Okay, so there is more room there.
Makin mata deh.
Okay, say hi to father there. Okay, yeah.
Do this. Can you hold on to that oil?
Dia lebih, dia nggak kayak ngelengket-lengket itu, yang kayak
Bergerak.
bosan lihat black rice.
There. Yeah. Black rice. White
Father,
rice.
friend from Kenya, say hi to the father. Kenya. Kenya.
What Kenya? Kenyatta.
Kenya.
A friend from Kenya in Africa.
Africa.
Why is he a friend from Kenya?
Ya, si
He watches his channel.
watch the channel every day.
You want
Every
lamb?
day.
Lamb. You want lamb?
Okay, let's do mixture.
Maming.
Maming.
Daging domba. Oh my god, maming.
Victor, lamb.
Oh, black white.
Black and white. Let's mix him up.
Very good color.
You see, for that you need a knife. Victor,
Okay,
lamb.
bye. Okay, bye.
Yeah, Kuti, you want lamb?
Yes, please.
Okay, you tell me if the lamb is any good. Is it salty enough?
A
Good.
lot of food. Brother, that's Australia. Yes, in Australia. Very.
Yeah, we're in Australia. You're telling me. Okay, a little bit of sauce. Like that?
Oh.
There?
Thank you.
Yeah. Madam?
Yes, thank you.
Madam not eating rice?
It's just
I'm eating rice.
Nice,
Absolutely.
Orang kampung banyak-banyak nak makan.
Do you wanna give him a little bit too?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Ya, kasih bati-bati sedikit. Ya.
One more.
Ya, one more.
There.
Okay,
Oh,
bye.
Are you,
Maming.
are you off rice? Are you?
Who?
Oh no, you're having some rice. You're not going to be left
Yeah, yeah.
behind. And you can have chicken.
Tadi aku. And then kita
No, please.
You wanna try some of this?
Yeah, I want to try. Yeah.
Bring your plate here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Changa malunga. That means no spitting.
So down.
In what?
Hey,
In Hindi.
Hindi.
Train, is the lamb good? Is it tasty? Yeah. It's good.
Yeah.
You approve? It's good. I think you need a knife.
Thank you, Ziggy.
For the yes, for the. Do you need a knife for the lamb?
Yeah, might be good.
Look, I just put it. Do you think you need a knife, Victor?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you might.
Have one of them.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, so it's not falling off the bone. Okay, black rice.
Black rice. White rice. I want to try kangaroo. Kangaroo.
Oh, you're eating kangaroo.
Yeah,
When?
he wants to try.
Oh, tomorrow in Sydney.
Yeah. Or when we get back.
Oh, kangaroo.
You haven't seen a kangaroo yet, though.
Yeah, this is.
You need to see one before you eat one.
Oh, the lamb is good.
The lamb is delicious.
Mm. You like these veggies,
Oh,
Victor?
yes, I like
Hmm?
it. Mm.
It's beautiful. Thank you, Bingy. Was Kaya all good? Everyone's good?
Mm.
Okay.
Saya masih try something.
Good? You want one? I'm just doing the last little bit. Rahu, you want one?
Yep.
Rara,
Have one.
you getting one? Hmm.
Where's this black rice from? Is it grown in Australia?
No, it's Italian.
Oh, Italian.
Mm. Italian black rice. Not Indonesian. I'm going to have some of my veggies. Because those veggies I like. There. Wow. Yeah, a bit of sauce. You need chili. More chili?
No, we're good.
No. Enough chili? Thank Christ.
This is just an insane amount of food.
Yeah, right.
It is gorgeous.
Buns on the table.
On the table.
Yeah. It's very good for the table. It's like oil on the table.
What's up for you the next few days? Anything big on?
Are you talking to me?
I'm talking to you. I know what everyone else is doing.
Yeah, what are they doing? Oh, the veggies are good.
Yeah.
Sorry if I say so myself. Those veggies are good. Nothing. Just walking, taking the kids to school.
Took Victor to Elwood to the spot that you start
A big
every day.
Hmm?
Took Victor to Elwood Beach yesterday
Oh, did you?
to the spot that you start
Uh-huh.
and told him you walk 8 kilometres
Yes.
3 kilometers.
all
And
the way around.
was
He
he
very
impressed?
impressed.
He was impressed.
He's joking on the phone to family all the time about how much he's been walking.
Well, he doesn't walk into Raja?
No, yeah.
No,
Because there's motorcycle. Motorcycle.
everyone has motorbikes.
Oh, I see.
If you're
Motorcycle.
going 200 metres, you get on the bike. You're not walking 200 metres.
Oh, so everybody walked into Raja.
No, they all thought I was weird for walking.
Under the sun.
Where did you walk?
Well, just between villages, like from Victor's house to the shops.
Mm-hmm. Well,
I just thought it was crazy.
because you probably didn't have a motorcycle. Did you have a motorcycle?
Dude, yeah.
Oh, you did?
Victor gave me one on that last trip. I learned. And it was so much fun. I want to take you on the motorcycle.
Thank you very much. I've seen the pictures.
I was a good driver in the end, no way.
Yeah. I was using helmet.
Now, Rara,
Yeah.
did you try those vegetables?
Did you ever get on the back of my bike?
Medium.
I like it.
No. Not perfect.
It's really Italian.
It's really
Tomatoes on it.
Don't you have tomato?
I rarely have tomatoes.
No?
No, it's just always chili and garlic.
Oh, is what?
It's always chili and garlic in every of my food I cook.
Surely in the vegetables there's enough chili, no?
Yeah.
Not for him.
Not for us.
No.
We're still young.
I have to find out what those green chilies were the other day.
He was also so curious about that green chili we saw.
Yeah.
He didn't want to
Yeah.
try.
The chili that we bought before, now at least.
No, the one at the market, you mean?
Yeah.
No. Oh, did you make some? Did you try
Yeah.
some?
Yeah.
And?
Not really.
It's not it's not spicy yet, I think.
What do you mean
spicy,
yet?
but
Because last time when the first day I arrived here and I went to this Asian market with Hootie, remember when I bought that chili? It's
Yeah.
I think it's also Thai chili, but in like the first few days it wasn't spicy, but the next week it's spicy.
Oh, when it gets older, it gets spicy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I
Ah.
meant. I think
Yeah, it's like my chili
yeah, it's
that
spicy.
you have just killed.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
So, the one you were talking about is the green chili in Warung SS.
The green chili at
Yeah.
the restaurant.
Yeah, the sambal,
What?
the chili sauce.
Oh, it wasn't just chili chopped up. It was a sauce of some sort, was it? A green
Yeah,
thing?
and like it was
Not very good
mixed-
for kissing. My God, the lips were very.
Did you ate it again at home?
What?
The green.
No, he took it.
Oh, you took that.
We took it
The chicken.
for eggs later.
Ooh.
Oh.
Victor,
Italian rice.
Victor, I'm very happy that you are enjoying
Yeah.
the meal.
Yeah.
You too,
Yeah.
but not as much. Is the chicken any good? Chicken good?
Oh, chicken
It
is
was
good.
bloody good.
There is no spice in the chicken, unfortunately. It's just paprika.
You don't have to feel sorry.
No. Because these buggers, without chili there is nothing. Rice and chili. You see, now I'm happy.
this place is so good.
But the sauce. He's just going for the sauce, not the veggies. Look at the veggies.
After this, we will go to swimming.
Oh, and you drown. So first thing in the morning, you've got things to do up there.
In Sydney,
Mm.
we'll just drop our bags and
Did you let
head
Pat
to the
know?
cinema. I sent her an email a few weeks ago, but I'm gonna follow up with her. Been meaning to do
Oh,
that.
she would love to go.
Mm.
She would love to come.
Yeah, well, she should know about it if she's read her email.
I'll ask her tonight. What time is the screening?
6:30 at the University of Sydney.
Uh-huh.
Cinema. Whew. Finish.
Really?
Sorry, Waihu, no chili in the chicken.
Too long.
I didn't have it. But you can mix with the sauce.
Just pick the two out of there. The full?
Yeah, I'm so full.
You want to finish it?
Yeah.
You want to finish it?
Yes, thank you.
What, you don't like the food?
I like it. I liked it very much. And I'm so full.
That's what all the mothers say. What, you don't like the food? Eat some more.
That's their language.
I had plenty. No, you had plenty, but not enough. No. Sorry, Waihu. But I like these veggies.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I've been waiting all day.
For dinner.
For dinner.
I purposely ate very little, and now I've just smashed 2 plates.
Well, I was thinking this morning. So, what am I going to do first? Chicken first, but lamb first in the oven. Chicken after, rice here, veggies there.
You've got leftovers for days.
Where?
Yeah.
Oh, because of the chicken. Nobody likes the chicken. No chili.
You served the lamb first.
No, but the lamb had to go. Halal. The lamb halal. I say a prayer over it just before I put it in the oven. Are you Christians? No.
Muslim.
Are you Christian?
Christian.
You are Christian.
Yeah.
Welcome. I had to do that. I had to do that.
Tapi kita harus kasih habis aja di rumah. Masih harus sih sebenarnya. Nggak tahu karena itu nggak ada tempat expirednya. Masih bisa doang. Maksudnya kalau saya pulang lapar,
So who's going tomorrow? Who's?
Yo.
Lamb
kalau dia mau simpen dulu.
and beetroot as well.
Kalau misalnya enggak.
And salsa.
Yeah,
Her as
I
well.
know salsa. She's in the car, but Bichu is taking a bus here.
Yeah.
No, the Uber from here, whatever, it's going to cost you, 60, 70, depending.
Did you talk to Hini about it?
Yes. Well,
She's alright.
no, I have to talk to Nobi.
me and Rara just clean all things together up.
You're right, man. He won't let you.
Chill.
Yeah.
He won't let you.
As the Arabs say, shwaya shwaya.
I thought shwaya was a little bit.
No, shwaya shwaya. Slowly, slowly. Well, of course it all depends.
In Egypt, that's where I was saying shwaya all the time.
That means slowly, slowly.
No, a little bit. But I was told.
Why are you sleeping? No,
What's he sneaking?
it's stealing your eyes.
I see you.
Oh, he's sneaking.
But he looks like he's sleeping.
Dum 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 dum.
Well, I might come back for seconds later. Knock on the door at 11 o'clock.
Can you do any of this for brekkie tomorrow?
Yeah, sure. I can take the.
We take little bits for breakfast for you
I can
Take some of the chicken.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
and rice and
Broccoli.
broccoli. It's up to you.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's split it up.
No, but just relax.
Not now.
Yeah.
It's because you're moving.
Not now.
Piringnya orang di sini bersih semua dia.
Have they been watching us eat?
Saya harus habiskan juga ini kalau.
What's going on?
I
They have like
finished this as
thousands
well.
of streamers.
Yeah.
Have
He
to
has
clean.
so many viewers of his
You
live.
can get like
Oh, this is like a
470,000.
Where Paddy High?
On-
Paddy High, yeah.
on
What's the
Facebook
dinner?
and YouTube.
Oh, Paddy. We got
Oh,
dinner.
is Patty there?
Yeah, Paddy there.
But
Yeah.
his subscriber
Hey, dekat gereja.
almost 500,000.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he's been
Okay,
doing
from
this every
Indonesia,
day.
Paulins, Adriana,
Everyone
Mara.
is
so
watching
when he
and
was
commenting.
doing the stuff at the market, he was sending
Yeah.
or
Paddy.
putting together and sending.
It's live.
live streaming.
It's live.
Oh,
Like
it's just
real
live.
time.
Yeah, he doesn't edit anything. It's live.
Right.
And
That's why he said one of his friends said hello to you from
Well,
Kenya.
yeah.
Well, but I didn't know that it was kind of live. So is your friend from Kenya still there?
Yeah.
I will say hello to him now.
It's like an hour
He said that say hello to the father.
That's it. Hello,
Yeah.
welcome. Next time.
Yeah. Next
Welcome to
time.
his channel.
Ini bersih. Saya juga harus kasih bersih.
That's the channel called
Toraja unik.
Unique.
Yeah.
Unik.
Unik.
Yeah,
YouTube.
He is unique.
Yeah.
Unik. Unik, yeah. Of course, unik.
Well, why is that funny? It's not. Well. And unique.
While he's doing the different thing, the opposite thing with on TikTok. He's editing a video every day.
That's classic. Smoke?
Yeah, let's have a smoke.
Yeah. Finish.
There was a change. It's
yeah.
cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
So Kaya was saying, "Oh, it's cold now."
Nah, ini belum
They wanted
habis
to
ini
say-
ya. Kita di break kalau tidak habis makan.
Yesterday.
Orang dia kasih habis.
Yeah,
Tidak
they
boleh
went to the
sisa-sisa.
beach last night.
Yeah,
Nggak
only
boleh
for like
sisa-sisa.
half an hour. We literally like decided because Norby and Hinny and stuff were all going. We'll get in the car and
Yeah.
So Henny went swimming as well.
yeah.
No, it's the back seat was down.
Yeah. Because I transported a painting and I must have forgotten to put it
No, it's okay.
back up. But we'll go properly to the beach.
Yeah, I've been telling him to bring Victor as well. Sandringham.
Yeah.
And he really wants
The
to go
next
to Sandringham.
next hot day we'll go to
Yeah.
Sandy.
It's not
But
the
in
first time anymore.
Sydney, you should go to the beach.
Yeah.
If you have a chance.
Yeah.
We've got 3 days, so we'll go to
Mm.
lots of beaches.
Yeah.
The city.
Because in Sydney, it's the ocean.
Hmm.
Big waves. Here, it's
It's
the
a
bay.
bay,
It's
yeah.
the bay, so it's like a lake. Well, it's not a. Sometimes it's
Like there's no
depend-
big surf here.
no surfing,
No surf,
in the
yeah.
bay, but in Sydney, even in Bondi, people are surfing. Mm.
Just like in Bali.
Hmm. Yeah.
Yeah,
That was
But
ocean.
Bali's
finding
pretty
out.
relaxed. I don't know. I've never seen. Oh, there's big surfing in Bali, so there must
Yeah.
be places that get big waves.
Dia nggak jadi ke pantai ini sore om karena
Iya
dingin
nih.
nih.
Hah?
Karena dingin.
Oh dingin. Oh iya iya iya.
Nggak cocok
Hmm.
It wasn't cold at all.
It's cold. Dude.
for
But-
us.
It wasn't. It was
Yeah.
like the warmest water for the sea you'd ever get in.
The wind.
The
We
bay. There was no wind last night. Are you talking
Last
about
night?
today?
Today.
today.
Oh yeah.
Did you-
I mean,
Don't go today.
yeah.
Don't go.
I mean, we're telling him we're not going there today.
What the water was cold last night.
No, it was beautiful.
Warm.
Last night beautiful. Very
It was very warm.
warm.
Alrighty, let's
Peter.
Thank you, leader.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Peter.
Yeah, 5.
Gracias la comida.
What's that?
You're going to have a smoke. I'm just going to have a little drink. And
Yeah.
Rara is going to tell me what to broccoli, some rice, and how many chicken for breakfast.
We can eat lamb.
I just had
Not for
one.
the breakfast actually. Just dinner. For salsa, not for us.
Yeah, actually, yeah, not a big portion. We're just bringing it to salsa. Salsa's
No,
coming.
no,
Tonight.
Would
you
you, not
take-
eat
you
some chicken for breakfast?
Oh.
What are we having tomorrow?
Yeah, but the chicken wasn't very good. There's no chili in it.
Yeah, it's
There's
No, it's
chili in
good.
it. There's
It
no
is
chili in
I
it.
mean, we have lots of food we need to finish
Still.
in the fridge.
Oh yeah, but you're coming back now in 3 days, 3 or 4
Yeah.
days.
I mean, maybe you want
Beras
some for-
hitam dari
No,
Not very
Italia.
that
No, you take some. You take some.
But I mean, if you put it in a box for them to take to their house, then we'll be an idiot and Kyra and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, so-
I'll organize that. You sit down, relax, or go and have a smoke. You smoking? Oh,
Yeah, smoking.
very nice.
Yeah.
In the meantime, I'm going to have another little wine. Because that's the kind of old man I am. White wine.
White wine.
Like
But
Fiona's.
you are Christian, you can drink a
Yeah, a
little bit.
little bit. Yeah, just try.
Yeah?
Okay. It's
Okay,
enough.
okay.
Yeah, enough.
It's not very bad.
These guys are really famous playwrights.
Oh,
Nice?
nice.
A little bit more?
No.
No.
Hey.
Is there a picture that you print from the Japan?
You sit
For
down
the
and
Japan
relax.
trip?
Madam,
Which one?
if they're smoking...
I'm asking like,
I'll.
did
Oh,
you
you don't take
print?
all, you're smoking too?
But the printed one.
Okay, baik. Ya, nanti lagi kita sambung ini.
Which one?
Sudah selesai makan ya.
She's
Udah
in
selesai
Perth,
makan.
not in Sydney anymore.
Weh,
Is it fun?
kulibirnya weh.
Okay, let's do.
Welcome back.
Oke, kita smoke dulu. Okay, want to smoke. Wah, televisi dulu kan. Oh, televisi ya.
So what time you wanna heading out to?